day, Feroz. This is given from Techno Drive. We've got your 51 volts, 200 amp hour EJC battery. Okay, let's see what it does here. Okay, let's switch it on. Okay, you see the alarm light comes on immediately. The moment we switch on the battery, you see there's no anything connected on the output. So the battery is giving alarm on its own. See there's a red light there. Okay. This fault is called by the BMS. So the BMS is a battery management system. This is the BMS. This is a brand new BMS. So this board is the one that's giving problem on this battery. Okay. We're going to open it up and then we will change the BMS. I've already opened up the screws. So there is the BMS there. So this is the BMS that we are going to change. We are going to change it and then we will see if the battery comes right. Thank you. Hi Feroz, we are done with the repairs on this battery. The problem was on the BMS, and also this switch was also damaged. We changed the switch. The switch was getting stuck. Sometimes when you switch off, it was not coming out. Then it was always on, so it was not good. So we changed the switch as well. Okay. Now we are going to test the battery. On lithium battery, there's two things that you check when you test it. We are going to check the charging current and also the discharge current. The discharge current, when you run whatever you are running, is gonna show on the current that's going out. So the discharge current will be minus, then the charging current will be plus. Okay, so we are going to test those two things. All right, let me switch it on. But before I switch it on, let me show you our setup. I've got the 6,000 watts inverter here, and also the kettle there, which is the 3,000 watts kettle. So we are going to test the battery with these two things. So there's also an incoming power there that's going to charge the battery. Okay, let me switch on the battery. Okay, there is coming on. Okay, you see now there's no more alarm, so it's on run mode. You see there it's blinking to show that it's ready to run. Okay, let's enter the analog info. Okay, you can see that the peg voltage is 51.5. Then the current IM is the current that's either coming out or coming in. So we're gonna check that current. If you are discharging, it will show there. Okay, let me switch on the inverter. Take a look at the current. Okay, the inverter is on there. You can see the battery voltage is 51 volts. You see now the incoming current, it's 45 amps. So this inverter now is on a charge mode. It's charging with 45 amps. So when it's charging, you can see that the run, it's steady. It's not flashing. And there's no minus there. So now it's charging the battery. Okay, let's press, then it will come on again. Menu, enter. Okay, we've tested the charging. Okay, we are now on a discharging mode. We've tested the charging. You saw it was charging with 45 amps. Now we are going to switch on the kettle, then we can see. You see now already we are pulling 4.58 amps. We're pulling that current because the inverter is running. You can hear the fans are running. Okay, so we are already pulling 4 amps. I'm gonna switch on the kettle. Okay, I've got the kettle on there. Okay, let's check the discharge current. Got 58 amps. Can hear the kettle is already boiling. Okay, we're still drawing 59 amps and it's not tripping. There's no overload or anything. So we're drawing like 59 amps. Let's check the kettle. You can see it's boiling already. So that's how we test the battery. Okay. You can see there 58 amps. The inverter 50 volts, 56%. Okay, the battery is alright, you can collect.